I propose the following as an additional pathway for the company's recovery. The state must inject targeted capital to upgrade the company's production line, introduce modern fabrication technologies, and improve quality control processes. Again, Mr. Speaker, we must engage private investors and LPG marketing companies in joint ventures to expand market access. Government and public institutions should be encouraged to source their LPG products and accessories from the company as a matter of policy. Mr. Speaker, the company should be supported under the African Continental Free Trade Area to enter neighboring markets by leveraging the regional demand for clean cooking solutions. Again, the public needs to be constantly sensitized about the health, economic, and environmental benefit of LPG usage. Mr. Speaker, let us remember that a stronger demand will sustain the operations of the company.